Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the lender how to navigate the DecisionLender Informational Banner. The Informational Banner provides helpful information that is readily available to the user when decisioning and funding an application. To begin, log in to DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Work Queue tab. Click on the My Apps subtab. To view an application, click on the application number. The application will open to the Decision Summary page displaying the applicant's information. How to view the Informational Banner. At the top of the page, the user will see the following information within the banner: the application number. Applicant name will provide additional information about the applicant. If there is a co-applicant, a link for that co-applicant will appear as well. Dealer name will provide additional information about the dealership. Branch name will be displayed here if applicable. Scroll down within the banner to reveal the collateral. This will provide the user with information about the collateral. If there is a trade-in, this link will provide additional information about the trade-in. Loan type indicates the type of loan submitted, for example, auto indirect, motorcycle, RV, etc. The channel will indicate the method of application submission. If the application was entered internally by the lender, the channel would indicate Manual Lender. If the application was submitted via a portal, it would indicate the portal name, such as DealerTrack or Route 1. The rule score is the sum of the value of the rules that failed. The Criticals link displays a number of rules determined to be critical, which have failed. Institution ID, if applicable, will indicate the number of trade lines that appear in the Bureau report that were from your lending institution's institutional ID. Management concurrence allows lenders to add an additional check on high-risk applications before being approved or counteroffered. The management concurrence process can be triggered manually by using the Manager Concurrence Required checkbox in the banner. Stipulations will indicate the number of stipulations that must be satisfied or waived prior to the loan being funded. If this application is being counteroffered or declined, Adverse Action is a link that would show the number of reasons and allow the user to view the reasons. Decision Status is the current decision status of the application. This will update automatically when the application is decisioned. Funding Status is the current funding status of the application. This field will update automatically when the application is marked as funded. Duplicate will indicate if the applicant's Social Security number has been submitted previously. If yes, this will be a link to the previous applications. If no, there will be no link. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.